So let us begin today's session. You can either sit comfortably or else you can lie down on the floor with your back. You can lie down on the bed with your back on the floor or on the bed. Okay? Close your eyes. Forget all the tensions and worries and just focus on your breathing. One of the most beautiful processes of our existence, but one of the most ignored aspects of our life. Try to bring in the most possible sense, most possible awareness to your breathing. When we inhale, the abdomen is bulging. When we exhale, the abdomen is sinking down. Slowly move the concentration to the tip of the index fingers and thumbs touching each other, trying to feel the pulse. Forget all the tensions and worries and just focus on the breathing and on the pulse. If you press too tightly, you will not be able to feel. If you press too loosely, you will only feel the skin. Press in moderation where you will find pulsating blood vessels. Slowly move the concentration to the nostrils. When we inhale, cool air is going inside. Try to feel the coolness of the air going inside. When we exhale, feel the warmth of the air. Cool air in, warm air out. That brings a gentle smile on the face. Slowly move the concentration to the center of the eyebrows. Imagine one Omkar of any size, of any shape, of any bright color. While focusing on this Omkar, we are going to chant it 3 times. Inhale. Om. Feel the effect of Pranava Omkar on your mind and body. Contemplate on how effectively you are going to breathe for next 20 to 30 minutes. And slowly adopt Namaskara Mudra. Omkar followed by Sahana Bhavatu. Sahana Bhavatu, Sahano Bhunaktu, सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ओम शांति शांति शांति। With your eyes closed, slowly take your hands back. Hold your right wrist with the left palm. Inhale, arch your back, look up. Exhale, bend from the root of the back. Touch your forehead to the ground.
Express gratitude to Mother Earth, Almighty, your parents and Guru.
Slowly inhale and come up. Slowly release your hands. With few blinks, you may open your eyes. Namaste. So myself, Dr. Mayur. I am a neurosurgeon, head of the department neurosurgery at Vasavi Hospital, Kumaraswamy Layout, Bangalore. And in addition to that, I have been teaching yoga since last 20 years. Since last 1 year, 2 months almost, I have been streaming live on my YouTube channel called as Mayur V Kaku. Every day morning. Right now we are streaming at 4:30 a.m. in the morning. That is called as Brahma Muhurt Yoga Challenge. In addition to that, every 21 days, we have been streaming different challenges. And one of the challenge which is going on right now is called as Master the Breath Challenge. So at Vasavi Hospitals, we are treating COVID patients in addition to the regular patients. For COVID patients and for all the people who are at the risk in this pandemic, we came up with this series of 5 p.m. yoga where we will be focusing on simple breathing exercises. With the help of these breathing exercises, I would like to make all of you aware of the breathing capacity which we have and breathing capacity which we are utilizing. We generally utilize only 500 ml of our lungs capacity with every breath. However, in a single breath, we can take up to 5 liters of air inside. What is the implication of that? When the lungs, which have small pockets called as alveoli, get filled with oxygen, the duration, the speed, the depth and the smoothness of the breathing helps us to assimilate more oxygen within the lung, absorb it into the blood, and then release carbon dioxide slowly so that the effective nature of breathing comes up. Elasticity of the lung improves. Why it is important? We know what is rusting. If we don't use any instrument, metallic instrument which has iron in it, it gets rusted. Our vehicles also get rusted if we are not using our vehicles. Same way about lungs, same way about overall our own body. So yesterday I was discussing about this and we had a nice discussion about young health. That video will be uploaded soon on my channel, maybe by tonight. And previous 3 or 4 sessions I have uploaded on my channel, Mayur V Kaku. You can go through it. Okay. So coming to today's session, today I am going to teach you Viloma Pranayam and Nadanusandhan. Okay. So what is Viloma Pranayam? For the facilitation of your breathing and for enjoying of your breathing, I would request all of you to lie down and do the practice. Okay. The instructions are very simple. There is no need to, worry about the instructions as such because they are very simple. Okay. Okay. So let us lie down on our back. Aram se, very aram se you have to do any breathing exercise. It is mentioned in the scriptures that breathing exercises, if done wrong, they can harm us. So there is no hurry. When we have to hunt a lion or we have to hunt any wild animal for that matter, we have to be extremely careful. Our prana or our life is like that. Here we are doing pranayam, means we are trying to understand the dimensions of our life and we have to be extremely careful for that. So that is why lie down comfortably, close your eyes. Now here we will first get along with our normal breathing. So reverse counting of 10. So reverse counting of 10. to 0. So with each normal breath, no deepening, no smoothening, no slowing down. Okay, only normal breath, 10 to 0. Let us perform that. 10. 9. 8. 7. 6. 5. 4. 3. 2. 1. Zero. Now we are going to increase the depth, decrease the speed, and smoothen the process of breathing in 1:1 ratio. What does it mean? So if we are inhaling, for that matter, we are inhaling for 3 seconds. How to count 3 seconds? Many people ask. You can count by numbers. Just at a similar pace, you count numbers and see up to what number you go. Or else you can have a clock which will be ticking. So with each tick you will be knowing. Or else what you can do is, if you are able to feel the pulse, feel the heartbeat, you have to synchronize with the heartbeat and see for how many heartbeats you are breathing in. That also can be done. There are many ways of doing it. Or else you can chant a mantra at a simple, correct tempo, same tempo you are doing with exhalation. All these things, there are various ways of doing these things. Okay, so now we are going to chant, or we are going to count. Depending upon that, we are going to do 1:1, 1:1 breathing, as deep and as smooth as possible and as slow as possible. Okay. Now we'll move towards something called as Viloma Pranayam. Viloma, okay, opposite to the flow of hair or air for that matter. Now when we are breathing in, the flow is going up, correct? Now when we are breathing in, instead of letting it go completely fast, what we have to do is inhale, take a break, Then see how much of lung is empty. Then slowly inhale slightly further. For example, 1 second or 2 seconds. And then pause. Once again assess how much of lungs are empty. Once again take 2 seconds. Then once again pause. Once again take 2 seconds. Like that we have to do. You observe my body, most probably you will be able to see. So you observe my body and then you can do it. We can do 5 rounds of that. So in inhalation, we are going to do this Viloma, means break, small amount, installment, break, installment, break, installment, break. Then when we are exhaling, complete repayment of the loan. Okay, so we'll do like that. Last round. Now the same thing we are going to do with exhalation. What does it mean? We take the complete loan with inhalation and pay it in installments. 1, pause, 2, pause, 3, pause, and like that, we exhale in installments. Okay, so let us try with exhalation. Inhale completely. I would like to know your experiences at the end of the session, who are willing to volunteer to share your experiences in these breathings. And if you have any doubt, if you did not get any point, I will be very happy to guide you. So let us do with exhalation now. Deep inhalation. slowly stop the practice, and you can keep your experience in the mind and later on share. Now we are going to do Nadanusandhana. Nada means sound. Nada means sound. Here, what is the Pranavanad? That is Omkar, which is eternal. And the Omkar is divided into 3 aksharas: A, U, and Ma. A has to be chanted with focus on the umbilicus. U has to be chanted with focus on the center of the chest. Ma has to be chanted with focus on the center of the eyebrows. Okay. Now 3 times we will chant Akara while focusing on the umbilicus. Idea is not to chant loudly. Idea is to chant with the feeling of vibrations which are delivered through these sound waves, and see what changes are happening. Another thing is that when we are lying down like this, we have to be as relaxed as possible. Okay? Now, be relaxed, focus on the umbilicus, and 3 times chanting the Akara. Don't be in a hurry to breathe. As you might be observing, I breathe very, very slowly. Yesterday or today morning, somebody has commented on the YouTube video that, doctor, you are making us drink air. So it is one of the most amazing comments and observations I have ever faced. Thank you, Shamantaka Maniji, for putting that comment. Drinking air means what? It means that you will feel the continuous flow. That is what it means. Means when we are filling a glass of water, we see the water flow and we feel it, the stream of water. Same way, or else when we are drinking water, we feel the water and then it goes inside. We feel that water flow. Same way, if we are inhaling and exhaling very, very slowly, at the entry and the exit point, at these nostrils, we will feel that continuous flow of air. That is why she might have told that I have to call her and understand in deep. But that is why most probably she would have told that I feel like drinking air. Okay. Now center of the chest and 3 times Ukara. slowly move the concentration to the center of the eyebrows, and we are going to chant Makara, that is nothing but humming bee sound. So let us do that 3 times. Excellent. Now we are going to combine Akara, Ukara and Makara, all the 3 in a single breath. How? There is a proportion. If we are chanting Akara for 3 counts, Ukara also will be for 3 counts, and Makara will be for 6 counts. 1:1:2. For that, if you would have observed how I am breathing, my breathing is like abdomen and then entering into the chest, and it is as slow, smooth and deep as possible. There is no force. It's only gentle sucking of the air through the nose up to complete lung capacity. In that we are not jerking, we are not forcing, we are not sucking air so fast. Okay, so same way next 3 we are going to do, that is Uma in a single breath. Okay, let us perform that. Body is hopefully completely relaxed, and now with closed eyes, pranayam, always breathing exercises always have to be done with closed eyes. Okay, and let us perform that. Feel the effect of Pranava Omkar on your mind and body. The idea of breathing exercises is not to make you sweat, not to make your breathing fast, not to make your heart rate increased. The idea of breathing exercises is to bring balance into the body, make your body more and more efficient. Your body should not be behaving like a tractor. The body should learn to behave like a Mercedes. That is the idea which we come up with. Now, when we are doing breathing exercises, if we do in a completely relaxed state, we do with positive mindset, and through that we will be able to achieve improvement in the parasympathetic nervous system tone of the body, and through that we will be able to achieve better immunity. Slowly wiggle your toes, wiggle your fingers, turn your head to left, then to right, once again to left with eyes closed, once again to right. Slowly come to bring your both the legs together, bring your both the hands by the side of the body. Slowly inhale and take your right hand up. Slowly inhale and exhale. Turn towards right with folded left leg. Straighten the left leg. Keep your left hand along the straightened left leg. With the support of both the hands, come to sitting position. Now, it was slightly lengthy, but we will end with a very important mudra which I teach every day, that is called as Prana Mudra. With respect to the science of mudra, if some new people have joined, I request you to go through my channel, in which there is something called as Introduction to Mudra Therapy, and there are various other mudra related lectures. You can go and see there. This is what is Prana Mudra, Anamika and Kanishta, the ring finger and the little finger touching the tip of the thumbs. Here, try to feel the pulse. Close your eyes, try to feel the pulse. And same, once again, awareness. Observe what changes happened in last 40 minutes. Observe what happened. Observe whether your habit has changed. Observe whether you are able to slow, deep and smoothen your breathing. While feeling the pulse. So whatever is happening in the chest region, heartbeat, we are able to feel through this. Breathing, we are able to feel through the nostrils, and then till the abdomen, we are able to feel the movement. That is what it is. After sufficient practice, you can practice up to your comfort. There is no need to harm the body. There is no need to force the body. It is about na hatat, na balat. There is no need to copy. There is no need to have a competition. There is no need to have a target. Whatever sadhana is there, yoga sadhana is there, that is not target oriented. Please do understand that. It is experience oriented, and your experience has to be extremely pure. For that, you have to be very, very honest with yourself. If you are not comfortable, yes, you are not comfortable. You will not do that. If you are comfortable, you can increase from 2 to 4 to 6 to 8, or maybe 11 minutes, 13 minutes, 15 minutes, whatever amount of minutes you want, you can increase. Okay? With that understanding, adopt Namaskara Mudra, Omkar followed by Sarve Bhavantu Sukhina. Prayer for welfare of every living creature. Om. Sarve bhavantu sukhinah, sarve santu niramaya, sarve bhadrani pashyantu, ma kaschid dukha bhag bhave. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Slowly take your hands back. Hold your right wrist with the left palm. Inhale, arch your back. Exhale, bend from the root of the back. Touch your forehead to the ground.
Express gratitude to Mother Earth, Almighty, your parents and Guru. Slowly inhale and come up.
Slowly release your hands. Rub your palms against each other to generate heat or positive energy. Keep them over your eyes. Keep them over your head. Keep them over your neck. Shoulder, arms, forearms, chest, abdomen, thighs and the legs. With few blinks, you may open your eyes. Dhanyavad. Thank you for joining in. I wish all the best of physical, mental, social and spiritual health to all of you.